Now, as you can see, over a 227-point credit score increase. So we were able to get Navy Federal credit card.
All right, so this is for the credit plug. And just like Jay said, I'm on your ass too. Now, to the people that are subscribed to his channel and love his content, they're probably thinking that we're just haters, this, that, and another. Listen, I don't want you to get scammed out of your hard-earned money paying $4,000 for a freaking credit suite.
Facts, they had a 227-point credit score increase so far. I always want to show you guys receipts. As you can see, it's October 14th, right? So these are recent testimonies, right? This is something that we're doing on
just yesterday. But keep in mind with these score increases, I would say over 90% of people that go through credit repair, once their credit's cleaned up, and not everybody's credit report gets cleaned up completely, the chances of their score going up that much are slim to none, because you're removing any age tied to those positive accounts as well.
6 credit score, and now they're up to a 662 on TransUnion, and then they were at a 517 on Equifax, and now they're at a 744. Now, I know choosing a service for your credit restoration is a big decision, but regardless of who you decide to go with, ask them to show you proof of recent testimonials where people are getting these massive credit score increases.
Massive credit score increases. Credit plug. Show us receipts of what you're sending into the bureaus. Show us those fancy letters that you're sending that's getting everybody's credit cleaned completely in 30, 60, 90 to I think 120 days. I think everybody would love to see those receipts.
Company, right? Now, right here it says, this is great news. Collection accounts can do a lot of damage to your credit score, so getting one removed is often great for your credit health. And I tell people all the time, before you start applying.
He tells people all the time, but literally just started doing credit repair within the past couple of months, which is fine. We need more people in the credit repair space that are doing the right thing, not illegal credit sweeps. There's no legal way to clean every consumer's credit report, guaranteed 30, 60, 90, 120 days. The only way to do that is a credit sweep. You got to remember, the bureaus have 30 days to investigate a real dispute. Identity theft, they have 72 hours to remove those accounts from the credit report.
And all of these accounts were derogatory accounts that was dragging this customer's credit score. But as you can see, once we got all these negative accounts and collections removed off their credit report, their credit score skyrocketed 227 points.
And like I said, if you remove all the negative accounts, the chances of your score going up that much are slim to none. Now, I'm not saying they can't go up that much, because they definitely can. But not every single consumer's credit score is going to go up, because everybody's profile is set up differently.
These accounts, Bank of Missouri, Verizon Wireless, Navy Federal. So we're seeing a lot of the same accounts.
You know, I used to have a lot of respect for this guy. I really did. But within the past, I'd say 12 months to a year and a half, his content's gotten really bad. And he's exposing himself on YouTube, and he has 291 subscribers. So, like I said the other day, that is potentially 291,000 people that could fall for this $4,000 scam.
Completely knocked off the credit report. Now let's go over the important factors, right? So when it comes to payment history,
now he's right about this.
Usage and derogatory marks, we want the credit profile to always look like this, right? Or at least payment history and derogatory marks. Now, credit card usage, you know, we want that to stay below 10% ideally, but these are the factors that should pretty much remain constant. Now, looking at some of the other ones, right, you know, inquiries, total accounts, credit age, these are always usually going to change, right? So when you open up a new credit account, all of these factors are going to be impacted generally. But more importantly, we want to focus on these factors right here, because this is going to be the biggest component of your credit is your payment history, and you want it to be 100%.
Now, he's right about that. You want your payment history to be 100%. One missed payment can drop your score tremendously.
see a massive increase in their credit score. Now, I talk to people sometimes who are working with a credit service and it's taking them a year, 18 months, even 2 years, and they're not seeing the results. If that's the case, you need to fire your credit repair company and come talk to us. We're the #1 credit restoration.
Yeah, fire your.
We have a
He said he's the #1. He doesn't work for me, so he's wrong about that.
It doesn't matter if it's an open account, closed account, negative or positive.
Why are you removing open accounts that are positive?
And student loans, mortgages, auto loans, repos, it doesn't matter. If an item is on your credit report and you want it gone, come sign up with us and we're going to get it eliminated from the credit report. We've been able to consistently get clients' credit reports completely wiped clean in a short period.
I can save you all $4,000. Go get a police report, get an FTC report, mail it in with your dispute letters. Boom, you just saved $4,000. You're welcome.
Is to clean your credit and raise your credit score. Now, we have dozens of other successful client testimonies that I can share with you. Now, if you urgently need to get your credit restored, I've dropped a link in the description of the video as well as our 800.
So yeah, he also lists his phone number, which you're not supposed to do either. You're not supposed to list your phone number anywhere on your website or anywhere that you're advertising, including YouTube. But anyway, just wanted to share this with y'all. Again, credit plug. We on your ass with the scamming, buddy.